o'clock at night. I got my son right here. Say hi.
Hi.
Working on the pod pack. What are we building, man? What are we building? Pod pack?
Trying to read this book.
He wants to do the train pod pack, but we haven't. We got to build pod pack flight first. So what we've got here is we're working on the check-in version. Gives you a sense of scale. Yeah, we're working in cardboard. We're gonna mock it up. We've got it already drawn out on the computer system. Show you that. I think we have an exploded axo somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, so we already have it pretty much drawn out on the computer with the exploded axo, with all the circuitry and batteries and all that fun stuff. We want to mock it up because we haven't actually built a prototype of this one yet. So we want to see how the scale looks, see if there's some things we need to adjust. We know the standard right now in the industry is 62 inches for the luggage side, but at the same time we're not sure if we're going to be able to push that boundary or not. It's not a hard rule because some airlines internationally have different dimensions, but we're going to follow that guide right now until we get into a position where we might be able to change some of those dimensions for luggage sizes, because we actually think we might be able to push that envelope a little bit by 10 inches depending on who you have playing on your team, i.e. TSA and DOT and FAA versus other people involved. So yeah, we're going to mock this up out of cardboard, see how it goes. And then we'll probably move into a few other materials and eventually work our way to wood, just like we did the other one. We're also positioning ourselves to get ready for some sort of 3D print run. No clue how that's going to go. We've worked hours and hours, hundreds of hours on building this thing in software, and we're not quite sure if it's correct or where the tweaks might need to be. So the only way is to do some trial and error and get in, start linking up the software with the printers and seeing what spits out on the other end. So really wanting to get some team, so add some other team players to our team. So we're really working hard on trying to get that next level investment, to be able to afford to bring some really quality individuals on board. We're really eager to get involved in a couple of programs, or we're keeping our fingers crossed and waiting to hear back from the Pi Accelerator program that we officially submitted our application to. Really feel that they have a lot to bring to the table and a lot of great things that we can bring to the table for them as well. We're also waiting to hear back from the Sand Innovation Lab in San Diego. We also think that that's a great opportunity for us. We really want to do both. I'm not sure if it's possible to do both simultaneously, but we know we could do both consecutively. So we are working hard to position ourselves for that. San Diego is a little bit more difficult, being that it's in Southern California, about 1,000 miles away. So housing and other things would be quite difficult to figure out, but doable. So yeah, that's where we're at. So we're still moving forward, trucking forward with stuff. We haven't done an update in a little while, so I wanted to post something for everybody. But we are getting geared up for 3D printing, so that's pretty exciting, because that means next after that is the next round of technology integration, which is really exciting stuff to see that. And then after that, you're into beta testing at the airports. So yeah, we'll keep giving you guys an update. Keep getting amped, keep getting excited. We got X Prize coming up, a submission for that. We're still on track for producing some really great stuff for Portugal in November. So yeah, a lot of things happening this fall. We're hoping to reap in the harvest. So with that, we'll check in with you guys later.